Alright fellas, got another quick video. Timing belt job. We got everything put back together. Timing marks are good. Perfect actually. This is how you remove and install the crank bolt. And this is the only way I recommend it. I don't even recommend using the power air impact, because I've heard of people spinning the engine backwards and ruining their heads, ruining the valves, because the bolt was stuck. So, what you need to do is get this tool from Lyle, that big black thing. It goes around the crank bolt, and those two bolts right here and right here slide through into the crank pulley. It hooks to a 1/2-inch ratchet, and then you got your, I think it's a 21mm socket, to a torque wrench, and torque it to 181 foot-pounds. You pull to the left on this one as you push on this one, and there you go. And that's the only way I recommend to install a crank pulley or remove one. Alright, hope that helped, and y'all take it easy.